Welcome to the Wealth Secrets channel. What comes to your mind when you think of financial freedom? Do you think financial freedom seems so hard to achieve? Financial freedom can be achieved when you have a plan for your finances and follow the steps mentioned in this video entirely. These steps are essential to financial freedom and will help you become debt-free and have more time to enjoy life. Everyone wants financial freedom, but few know how to achieve it. This video will give you some insights that could help you reach your personal goal faster than you think possible. The path to financial freedom can seem like a long and arduous journey, especially if you've never been financially stable before in your life. But once you've tasted the sweetness of living debt-free, it's hard to go back to the way things were previously. Keep watching this video until the end because you are expected to know what financial freedom means, why financial freedom is important, and how to achieve financial freedom. After that, you will be able to make better decisions about how you spend money on day-to-day expenses, invest in the future, and start saving up for what you truly want out of life. Before kicking off, if you want to achieve financial freedom, don't hesitate to hit the like button now. Turn on the notification bell to be notified every time we upload one. Most importantly, if you want to watch more videos related to wealth secrets, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you are all set, then let's get started. Question number 1. What financial freedom means? It means you make the decision without feeling stressed about the financial consequence of that decision. Question number 2. Why financial freedom is important? From the monetary side, you don't need to struggle with any debt. Buy whatever you want to buy and live in whatever style you want. On the non-monetary side, its importance goes beyond the monetary term. More alternatives, improved relationships, less pressure, and improved confidence. Question number 3. How to achieve financial freedom. Step 1. Evaluate your current situation. Before making big financial decisions, looking at your current situation is essential. That means looking at your current savings and expenses, regardless of your age. The purpose of it is to have an accurate picture of how much you make in a year to make informed decisions about what money you need and don't need. Imagine, do you have any emergency savings or any credit card debt that need to clear within the coming month? If you don't have enough savings or income to cover the credit card debt, then you need to pay the interest as well. Be careful. If you want to increase your income to achieve financial freedom by making money online, feel free to click the links down below after finishing watching this video. Step number 2. Set realistic goals. Setting realistic goals is one of the essential steps to financial freedom. You may ask how goal setting can benefit me in financial freedom and what is the purpose. The purpose of setting smart goals is to help you stay focused on what you want and reach it more quickly, as well as prevents the feeling of being overwhelmed by trying to tackle too much at once. You may ask, what does SMART mean? A good way to make your goals smart is to break each goal down into manageable parts, set a deadline for completion, and create a plan for action with measurable steps. Financial success requires planning, sacrifice, and perseverance. However, don't despair. There are many ways to achieve it. Set smart goals and then develop a plan to attain them in smaller pieces, step by step. Keeping going in the correct direction is the key. When setting realistic goals, it's important to stay grounded in reality so that you don't end up setting yourself up for disappointment later on. If not, then you will give up. And guess what? You are away from financial freedom afterwards because of your decision made. So, You may ask, how can I keep myself on the right track? Don't give up. It's better to tie financial freedom to an emotional goal. Then you will be more likely to achieve financial freedom by connecting with your strong why. Also, make sure your goals are sensible and achievable based on your current lifestyle and situation, instead of idealized life that is out of reach now. Although you will never be 100% happy with every aspect of your life, setting realistic goals will lead you to achieve the things that matter most. Along the way, you will feel successful even before reaching your ultimate destination. You may ask, what steps are required to get started? Create a plan. Begin by writing down your overall goal. For example, buying a home. You may ask, why? Because it helps increase your opportunity of achieving financial freedom by visualizing. Next, write out the specific actions needed to meet that goal. For example, save $5,000 and when they should happen. For example, 3 months. The trickiest part is often figuring out how you will track progress and stay motivated. Consider using apps like Google Calendar to keep track of tasks completed, checklists made, items purchased, for sale or to donate, blog post, draft, written, etc. And remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Step number 3, create a budget. Creating a budget is an essential step towards financial freedom. The purpose of creating a budget is to let you know how much you make each month and how much you spend. If you find out you are overspending, then it's important to understand the reason behind it. Many people are still struggling to achieve financial freedom because overconsumption hinders the road to financial freedom. So, the ability to identify the difference between the need and the want is one of the keys to success, as well as self-control. Although it may take a while to get used to creating a budget, it is worth it. For example, if you save $200 per month through careful budgeting, you could invest that money and earn more than $2,000 per year from capital alone, not including any growth. That's free money. It will get you closer to your financial freedom goal. You do not want to rush into financial freedom without understanding what it means first. So, give yourself time to research and read up on some important topics. Don't feel bad about being broke. Plenty of people come out of poverty and eventually make it big. Create a budget today to start your path towards financial freedom. Before going to why investing in yourself is important, if you feel like you've gotten the value so far, then make sure to smash the like button and the subscribe button. Step number 4, invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is an essential step to financial freedom. We all have our priorities, and investing in yourself is something you should consider a top priority. There are so many benefits of investing in yourself, from the physical health of your body to the mental health of your mind. As Warren Buffett mentioned before, the best investments you can make is in yourself. Investing in yourself is important because it helps you feel more fulfilled and confident and grow more wealth. You will also find it much easier to invest time and energy into developing your side hustle or work when you know that you are doing everything possible to maintain a healthy lifestyle. If you want to succeed financially, investing in yourself and your side hustle is important. That way, you will be able to sustain your wellness while succeeding at what matters most, your financial freedom goal. Before you start to invest in yourself, remember what is your purpose for doing so. If you can remember your why, then you can successfully pass through the journey. If you want to know more about side hustle or how to make money online, feel free to click the links down below after finishing watching this video. Also, having a correct financial concept is a great way to start the path to financial freedom. Building wealth involves developing good financial habits. This will allow you to build up many savings while still living a comfortable life, without worrying about paying bills or taking any debt obligations. As a young person, you should be aware of investing in your future. However, this is one of the most important steps you can make to accomplish your objectives and realize your dreams. The more money you have when you're older, the easier it will be for you to achieve financial freedom as an adult. Final step, step number 5, stay disciplined. One of the essential stages towards financial freedom is to stay disciplined. That means saving a certain percentage of each paycheck and not spending money on things that are not important to you. It would be best if you were disciplined about saving and investing. To succeed in your financial future, you must be prepared to take control of your money and put it in the best possible place. The initial step is to establish a savings account. It doesn't matter if it's a piggy bank or an online bank account. The important thing is that you have a place to save money. Once you've done that, ensure that at least 10% of your income goes into that account monthly. The next step is investing in stocks and bonds. This will help diversify your portfolio, reducing risk and increasing potential returns with a recurring dividend. Moreover, the stock market is a good place to begin your journey to financial freedom because of its fast earning opportunities. The earlier you can start, the more you can earn. You can even use a budgeting tool to help you stay disciplined and stick with your budget. One of the best is Mint.com, which has a free version for desktop computers and mobile devices. It provides a platform for you to see your income and expense all in one place. To conclude, financial freedom is not a short-term goal. It takes time and effort. If you don't have any experience with investing or business, consult a professional advisor before investing or do your due diligence. Again, if you want to achieve financial freedom or make more money online to boost your income, feel free to click the links down below now. If you want to know more about financial freedom or financial independence, check out this video playlist. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.